Yeah, still wearing last night's shirt. Brad Alliston's in town. Came from the drone meet. Says he wants to fly with the D-Man. So, we're going to grab some tacos and some margaritas, and we're going to go have some fun. Hang with the ladies. How you do, ladies? Hey, you like what you see? Okay, well, first I should probably go shower so they do like what they see and smell. That's a good idea. And then we're going to go meet with Brad, 6:30, and then after that we're going to go fly. Meet with Clinton and the boys. The boys. That's what's happening. Let's go. That's more like it. You guys want to say hi to Ham?
Hammy, hey. Hey, you. You gonna say hi to everybody? Look, say hi. Say hi. Ham Solo. Coolest guinea pig on the planet. What do you think, Ham? Saying hi to everybody? Okay.
Yeah. Only I have the coolest guinea pig. Y'all ain't got nothing on Ham. Your pets are lame compared to my guinea. Guaranteed. Bro, margaritas, tacos, and Brad.
What's up?
What's up, man? What'd you get?
2 beef tacos, hard tacos, special.
Yeah, we're at Fuzzy's. This is where me and Clinton come all the time. And then after this, we're going to go meet Clinton up at the mall for some flying. That should be a good time, man. So we've got some chips and queso coming. We're at one of my favorite locations for Taco Tuesday. And then flying. And then Sulphur Springs Water Tower for you, sir.
Awesome.
All right, sounds fun.
Started.
Zombie on the track.
Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here. Nigga, started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. I done kept it real from the jump. Living at my mama's house, we'd argue every month, nigga. I was trying to get it on my own. Working all night, traffic on the way home. And my uncle calling me like, where you at? I gave you the keys, so you bring it right back, nigga. I just think it's funny how it goes. Now I'm on the road, $500,000 for a show. And we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Always tell stories about the man. Say I never struggled, wasn't hungry, yeah, I doubt it, nigga. I could turn your boy into the man. There ain't really much out here that's popping off without us, nigga. We just want the credit where it's due. I'ma worry about me, give a fuck about you, nigga. Just as a reminder to myself, I wear every single chain, even when I'm in the house. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same, I never changed it. No new niggas, nigga, we don't feel that. Fuck a fake friend, where your real friends at? We don't like to do too much explaining. Story stay the same through the money and the fame. Cause we started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team fucking here. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now my whole team here, nigga. Started from the bottom, now we here. Started from the bottom, now the whole team here, nigga.
So Brad's in his goggles, Clinton's flying,
Yeah.
Wilson is... What are you doing, Wilson?
I'm right here. I was trying to follow Clinton and
He's following.
Oh.
He's following. Somebody following the bus.
They're both
Following
flying.
the bus.
And Dan is crashing. Too many margaritas and wires in the air, taking out Dan and poles.
Woo, that was close.
Nice, nice.
Dude, I still want to go power loop the walkways down there. Has anybody tried it yet?
Hey, who am I?
Follow me.
Yeah, you see the walkways?
Clinton, am I following you? Yes. Okay, I got you. Yep. Looks good.
Do you see the walkway? It should power loop.
I was looking at that earlier.
I know. If you can pull it off, dude. Oh, somebody's walking. Yo, do it. Crush it. Oh, yo, that dude was like, I'm out of here, bro. What the fuck is going on? Oh,
Sorry.
that is amazing.
Yeah, right.
Hold up,
Who's walking behind me?
Cleared. Now I got compass calibration.
How does that work? Do you have to hook it to like a signal from your phone or something?
I guess I haven't had to do that before. Not with this. Let me do the calibration. It wants me to do the calibration.
It's a so bright.
That's a so bright.
Wow. And I was weak. And I sat there, my head was just swimming.
Oh man, that's
Coming
very
in.
creative. Justin, man. Oh god.